All right, as you can see, I already got my chicken breast seasoned up. I got my egg wash right here, and I got my seasoned flour right here. Seasoned flour, key. All right, what you gonna do? You gonna get your breast, dip it in your egg wash. That's gonna act as your binder. Drop any of that excess off as much as you can. All right. Drop that on in that bag. Do it one of two ways. I like to try to keep my hands as clean as possible when I'm dealing with this stuff because it will get. But you also want to get in there and make sure you season up every crevice. So you want it to come out all the way seasoned. Shake off any of that excess again. Make sure we're getting it good and dredged in there. You want it to come out looking like that. Pretty, beautiful. You see that? I ain't get that in there. I want to go back. I want every crevice seasoned. Breaded. Alright. Get our basket. Where's our fry basket at? Get our basket. Just give me a second. That's how you want her to come out looking. Beautiful. Might do these one at a time because they're so big, actually. I am. Let me do these one at a time. I'll be back with you in a second. Alright, while that's cooking, you could have did a plain white flour batter. So you would go plain white flour, dip it into your egg wash, and then go into your seasoned flour. I don't have time for all that right now, and I don't need the double crunch. Fresh out the grease. Goodness. Ooh. Now that's my mix. The next one I'm gonna show y'all is this mix. I wanted some hot and spicy. So I did this one the same way, egg wash, but I did with that hot and spicy. I'm gonna see which one tastes better. Oh, so number 2 looking good as well, y'all. Let's get these on the plate. All right, people, so there we have it. So this is my seasoning, and here's that hot and spicy seasoning that came in the packet. Now, I ain't gonna lie, I just tasted a little piece of the skin, and this hot and spicy is definitely, well, dang, mine's is kind of good too. Oh man, mine's is good.